Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually start your dropshipping business and get the product sent to your buyers, your consumers, to your loyal customers really fast. And obviously I'm going to give you the complete step-by-step breakdown. So if you want to understand a methodology by which that you can scale your business successfully and actually start making money in the proper way, then you've come to the right video. Now the purpose why we make all these videos is to give you a complete insight of the proper information, the knowledge, the methodology, and the breakdown of what you need to do and how you need to do it, what strategy that you need to apply, and what methodology that you need to execute. So guys, if you haven't checked out our channel out, do check it out, because there's a lot of videos that are going to definitely help you scale your business where you can become financially independent and break away from the 9-to-5 and get the financial freedom that you always wanted. The first thing, guys, that you need to do is create a Shopify account, and that is the literally first step from which this strategy starts from. Now, Shopify.com is a very unique platform, guys. This is a global commerce platform where you can build your business and you can sell online, offline, and everywhere in between. And you can discover why millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify to build their business. This literally gives us a chance to understand, research, and look at the different strategies that those entrepreneurs have used to help scale their business to become financially independent. And the unique thing about Shopify is that 10% of the total US e-commerce is done by Shopify, with a global economic activity of $444 billion, and the countries that they're representing is 170, meaning you can sell in 170 different places around the globe, guys. And that is the beauty of Shopify.com. And one of the things why I absolutely love Shopify is the fact that it has the best converting checkout on the planet. It has flexible point of sales that can power your retail stores, and from the first touch, the full funnel, you can reach new leads, engage with customers, you can build on the data that you have, and you can streamline your back office and oversee your operations and fulfill your orders and manage your money where you make it. And at the end of the day, this is the reason why a lot of individuals are turning over to Shopify.com, because the support, the guidance, and the assistance that you get with Shopify is absolutely brilliant. Now, before I move any further, I want to talk about the price of Shopify so you guys know exactly how much you're going to pay. You can start a free trial and enjoy 3 months of Shopify only for $1 on selected plans. Then they have the basic, which is for $19 per month, the Shopify, which is for $49 per month, and the advanced, which is for $299 per month. And guys, once your shop takes off, this is literally pennies compared to how much money you're going to be making. And you save 25% yearly if you pay, and if you want to pay monthly, is going to be $25 per month for the basic. Shopify is going to be $65, the advanced is $399. So you can save 25% paying yearly, and monthly you're going to pay this amount, but you can get 3 months for $1 with the basics for monthly, and try it completely free and see if it works for you. And if it does, guys, then this will literally change the way that you're going to do business. Now what you need to do once you have started your Shopify, because you can easily create a Shopify account in a couple of clicks, and I've done a detailed version of how to start your Shopify store on the channel, so you can head over there and check that out. So I'm not going to go in great detail in that regard, because our focus is talking about this methodology and strategy that you can use to sell on the Shopify account. Now I want to show you one particular website that we're going to use, and this is a Shopify website over here, and this individual has used Shopify to start this website, which is called Vaggy Tales. Now the Vaggy Tales is very interesting. This is all the items that pet lovers tend to use. As I scroll down, you'll be able to see all the different products that are available over here. So once we click all the products, you can see the different products that they're selling on their store. Now these are all the products for $23.99, $14.99, $14.99, $21.99, $34.99, and their niche is focusing on the pet market. And this is one of the most important things, guys, that you have to keep in mind. One of the mistakes which young entrepreneurs tend to make is that they have a lot of products and they're focusing on multiple sections in the market. So they have different diversified niches and they're trying to pick one particular thing. And I feel that really comes out as a very negative aspect in some cases, where people feel that you're trying to become an eBay store or an Amazon store, you want to make sure that you focus on one particular niche. It could be pets, it could be electronics, it could be home improvement, it could be cars, it could be accessories, it could be phone accessories, but make sure that you select one particular niche and develop your business around that particular niche. Now you might be thinking that, okay, I've made my Shopify account, I have a Shopify store, and I've put my products. Now what we need to do and how can I actually scale this? Now the beauty of these is that this individual that has the store doesn't necessarily mean that he has bought all these products which are available on this store. Now what they're going to do is quite simple and straightforward. Now they receive the products, you can pay it at home, they deliver to multiple countries within 4 to 12 days. Now this is very interesting, guys, because I'm going to talk about this in a second, so keep that in mind. They have a return policy of 14 days and a support which is available 24 hours with customer support. Now if you scroll down, you have a full information about the bed and the information about different products that they tend to have. Now what they're going to do is once you put all these products onto your store and you've made a Shopify store and you have a place where people can have a landing page and come to your store and look at the different products you tend to have, from the sizes, from tracking your order, from customer support, from how to use and everything over here, I need you to head over to ebay.com. Now ebay.com is a place which is being used by people from all over the globe. Now there's two things that you have to keep in mind. The first thing is the fact that you need to understand where your customer is from. So if someone wants to buy a product, let's say we're going to buy this particular product for £23.99, and obviously this literally means that we are based in the UK because the product is in pounds. So we'll scroll down and we're going to say that, okay, we want to add this to our cart, and once we add it to the cart, we can easily click on checkout, and as we go to checkout, we'll be able to pay by Shop Pay. We'll be able to pay for this particular product and putting our email or shipping address where we want it. We can use PayPal, Shop Pay, or even Google Pay. And obviously if you scroll down, you'll be able to see that we have the full information over here in the shipping address. Now once we get the shipping address, what you're going to do is, if the person is based in the UK, is based in Australia, is based in the US, is based in Canada, is based in New Zealand, you can easily find where this product is going to be sold. So let's head back over here. So this is a product that we're buying, and we'll assume that we're in the UK. So we're going to say this is a dog harness. So we're going to search for dog harnesses over here. Now once we search for dog harnesses over here, what we will see is all the different products that are going to be available over here. Now if you scroll down, you'll be able to see that this is from China, and I am a buyer from the UK, and I want to make sure that I buy this product from the UK at a very reasonable price. So let's scroll down and see something that's relatively cheaper, and that is based out of the UK. So if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the different products that are available over here, and as you can see all these products that are available over here, we're going to select this product over here, which is for $4.38. Now obviously the shipping over here is showing as a higher rate because we're doing international. So as you can clearly see, this is for $4.38. So we're going to click on this. Now as we click on it, you will scroll down. This is for £3.65. So if you go back over here, you'll be able to see that this is for $19.19, and we take a 20% off for $19.20. So basically we can get this for a reasonable price and make a massive profit on it. But the thing that you'll see is the shipping is $32. So what we're going to do is click on see details. But the good thing about this, or the fact that this is located in London. So if you're a buyer in London and you buy this particular product from the website, from your website, you just have to head over to eBay and buy the product from here, and you'll put the shipping details of the person that has actually put over here when you buy this particular product. So the product is going to be sent directly to the individuals in the UK. Now we're going to change the details over here. So we're going to go over here and we're going to change the country. So we're going to scroll down and click on the United Kingdom. Now as we click on the United Kingdom, we're going to click on get the rates. Now as we do that, you'll see that the actual payment is going to be completely free. It is a free shipping that's available, and we can easily get this product completely free. If you scroll back up, you'll see that the product has been changed, the shipping has been changed, it's completely free, and with a 30-day return policy, and the estimated time for delivery is going to be 2 days. And once we saw over here, if I go back, you'll be able to see that the policy that they had was actually actually quite interesting. It was for 14 days. So in 14 days, if they don't like the product, they can actually return the product. And if they return the product, they'll be able to actually send you the right product. So clearly every aspect over here has been taken care of and has looked over. So if I scroll down over here, you'll see that there's a 14-day free returns on all products, and it has a 30-day returns on the product. So you will buy the product from here, you put the address of the individuals that is buying this product, and then you will drop a message to the buyer and mention to them to not put any information in regards to what the original price was and what your company name is going to be. And you can let that individual know that if they are able to work with you in this manner, you'll be ordering more and more products from them, because at the end of the day, this individual over here, it wants to make a sale and wants to earn. So they're making a profit at $3.65 and you're making a profit as well. So you don't need to tell them how much you're selling the product for. You're just letting them know that you have a buyer lined up and you need to send this product to that buyer. And that, my friend, is how dropshipping tends to work. It's very simple. It's very straightforward. I'll repeat the methodologies and the step-by-step things that you need to do. The first thing that you need to do is create a Shopify account. And once you create a Shopify account, you need to create a landing page on your Shopify, and it should be something like this. And then you'll put different products that are going to be available. And whenever someone buys that particular product from your landing page, and for the country that they're based in, you need to go on eBay, on Amazon, on Etsy, on AliExpress, on Alibaba, and buy the product at a relatively cheaper rate. Then you have to select the shipping element over here that they're going to be made available and ship that product directly to them in their country, and they'll be able to get the product in 1 to 2 days, and you won't need to buy anything. And once they buy the product, you'll actually get the money. It is as simple, straightforward as that. Now, if you got any questions or you need any clarifications, you can always let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family so more people can find out the simple, straightforward methodology, step-by-step for dropshipping, and how to increase the delivery time whenever you're selling something on your dropshipping page. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.